Traders, investors, hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. I'm an educator, trainer, trader, and investor in the stock markets, and I share my years of experience in the stock market with you guys on this channel. So, a request I make here: if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. You are on the right channel to understand how the stock market trading and investing works. And if you like the video, please do give a thumbs up to the video as I take time out to help you understand how the stock market works. What are the things that you need to look at before you bring your hard-earned money to the markets, right? So yesterday there was a mayhem on the stock market. You saw the mid cap and the small cap bleeding. Okay, there was a bear run on the mid cap and the small cap segment. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you why am I still looking at higher prices in the coming months. Okay, now in the stock market, so I request you to watch this video until the end and do not skip the video. All right, because I'm going to explain to you certain key points and what I personally understand, what is my experience tells about the stock market, and I'm going to share with you guys. This is going to be excellent educational video for you. So wait patiently and watch patiently till the end. Now if you see on the screen, this is your Nifty chart. Okay, this is your Nifty chart, and you see here what has Nifty, okay, from the lows of 16,1880, okay, in March 2023, all right, and to the highs of 20,000, okay, to the highs of 20,000 that happened recently. What you have seen here is not a one-way move, okay, not a one-way move that has happened on the in the markets. That's not how the markets work, okay, just moving one side to the upside or one side to the downside. That is not we are looking at in the market. The market uh, always moves in highs with troughs, making the highs and then coming lows. So that is what you are looking at in the market. So now what happens during these down moves? Okay, now you see there was a down move here in the market. Okay, let me get this arrow line for you, which I'm not able to find and I do not know why. Okay, let's find this. Actually it's here. Okay, interesting. Where is it gone? Okay. Anyways, so what I'm saying here is, okay, a trend line. Look, okay, let's take a trend line. All right. So what I'm saying here is, you see here there was a move higher, okay, and you can see there are small corrections that are happening. The- Okay, again a move higher, then a pause, again a move higher, and you see a good correction happening, and then a big move higher towards the 20,000 level on Nifty that everybody has been eagerly waiting for. When was the last time market reached 20,000 levels? Okay, it was never. Right. So now what you're looking at here is, you saw, okay, you saw the market reach the 20,000 level day before yesterday. Okay, and yesterday it crossed that level, and there was some, a small correction that happened in the markets, and there was a lot of profit booking or correction that took place, the bloodbath in the small cap and the mid cap segment. All right, now this is the way the market works. Okay, this is the way the market works. Now if you see here, during this move from here, okay, from the 19,990 levels, okay, how many days from after reaching this level the market went to in a downward move, then it paused, so it almost took, you know 48 to 50 days, and after that make the big move higher. Now this is the period wherein the weak hands are tested. Okay, the weak hands are tested, those who do not have experience in the market, those who think the market is an easy way to make money, those who think that I am going to get rich quick, okay, in the market. This is a test for these individuals who come to the market with that particular psychology, with that particular mindset, and those who get bugged because the market is falling for 1 2 3 days or for weeks together, and they get out. So these are the weak hands who get out, and then what happens? You see this bigger move happening. okay, and you see this bigger move happening once the weekends are out. This is how the market works. Okay, so you need to have a lot of patience. So you need to know, first thing, you need to know what you're doing in the market. What is the objective of you of coming to the market? Are you looking for a short term trading purpose, what or are you looking for investing in the markets? What kind of approach you're taking? You're taking a technical approach, you're taking a fundamental approach. So you have to be clear. You cannot just wake up one fine day and say, hey, let's trade in the market, let's start putting money in the market without any experience, without any education, without any knowledge about the markets. And it takes time to gain knowledge in the market. It takes a lot of effort from your side to understand how the market works. Then only you will be able to say, yes, the market is rewarding me. Otherwise, the market will not reward you. Market will in fact take away money from you, okay, if you do not know what you're looking at in the markets. Okay, so this is what you're looking at now. What might happen now? Now we might see, a correction continuing for few more days until this particular level of 19,800 level. Okay, 19,800 level. We might see some correction happening, some pause happening before it starts to make a move higher. Okay, before it starts to make a move higher. We are in the bull markets. Okay, we are in the bull markets, and bull market is the longest phase in the market. So we are going to see a move higher from here. Till what level and when it will happen, that the market will tell you little later on when the things are ready. Now, why am I bullish on the markets? Why am I saying this is my personal, belief in the market? This is not some tip that I'm providing for you, an investment advice I'm giving you here to say that you invest in the market, it is going to go ahead. No, my experience, I'm saying the market is going to pause here for some time, or maybe it might continue from today itself. You don't never know what might happen in the market. But why am I bullish? Because you see here two main important things. These are the sticky factors that is that is been staying in the market. One is the inflation. Okay, now inflation, okay, RBI has taken a good effort, okay, to control the inflation, to maintain its target, okay, and to bring the inflation rate down. So recent yesterday news, you saw the headline retail inflation fell to 6.83%, okay, higher than what the market, the street expected. So that is one positive news coming out from the inflation side. But one data, okay, is not going to suffice. We need to see that inflation rate coming down, and coming down consistently and remaining at a lower level. Okay, and I expect that happening because we are seeing the RBI taking measures through the monetary policy that we are looking, and the retail inflation coming down. Okay, second thing is the interest rate scenario in the market. The interest rate, okay, RBI maintained a pause, it is at a higher level, but it is not going to stay at a higher level. We are going to see the next leg once the inflation is under the RBI's purview, and RBI is happy with that the inflation is under control. You will see the rates, interest rate coming down. Okay, interest that will again fuel, okay, and that will again fuel the growth in the markets, the growth in the economy. And so that is the reason I am bullish in the markets. Okay, that is the reason in my experience that it is better to stay invested in the markets, and forget about this, all these small corrections that take place in the happens, that take place in the market, and the retailers get scared and get out of the markets. You are not supposed to get scared. You are here to understand, you are here to stay. Okay, the wealth and the money is made in the market in a long duration. Okay, you have to stay invested. You might be shaken out from the markets, but that is not the idea. You need to remain firm. Okay, you need to understand how the market works. Then you have to see, look at good stocks, look at the company's financials, look at the company's charts, look at the company's businesses, how they are performing, and then you need to make a decision. Okay, on my channel, I have shared, I keep sharing my experiences. I make educational videos. What are the things that you need to look at? The company's financials, the charts. Okay, please go and look at those videos. I have shared and a lot of data of how, what is the thing, and some stocks which I have discussed on this channel, like Radio City, like Indus Towers. Okay, they have made a huge move towards the upside, 25-30% move towards the upside, and I expect 60 to 70% more move coming. Okay, on those particular stocks, and I will discuss many more stocks, company stocks, businesses, and their charts through this channel. So that is the reason I am bullish. I am seeing a bright, future for the markets in the coming months. It is not going to be in few days, in the coming months. So we have to have that patience in the market, and you need to understand how the markets work. So you see, there was a consolidation here. This consolidation, okay, is expected, is has broken, and a move is expected, okay, still further higher, until there is some kind of thing, some scenario unfolding in the market, that you see a real correction, you see a real downfall, which is, in my opinion, a further down in the future. Okay, it's not going to happen so soon. So two main things, as I said, one is the retail inflation under control, and the RBI in the interest rates environment getting, okay, a little bit easier, going downside in the months and the years to come. So this is the reason I say, you are going to see a big up move in the Nifty mid cap, and the mid cap and the small cap segment. Right now, it is just a profit booking. It's just a shakeout that is happening in the markets, and we need to stay invested in the market. All right. I hope this gives you a better indication, a clear idea through this educational video, that what are we looking at the market. And do subscribe to the video, and give a thumbs up to the video, and comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.